My people, we thank Baba God. Baba God allow us see today. Welcome to another episode of Pidgin Vibes Yanis. Today, my Yanis come carry me waka reach this mini bus matter for this our Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Normal level, I don't get to know say this mini bus e dey everywhere. E dey almost all the states for the Federal Republic. But now I come rampart well because according to wetin most of the bus drivers dey tell us or dey tell me say people no dey enter vanet. Normal, I no see anything wrong with entering vanet. All of them na motor, so far carry me go where I dey go. But one thing wey I wan ask, one question wey I wan ask, this mini bus no be pandemic e be for our state so, for our city? Because wetin make me talk am na say the evil wey I don hear people dey talk about that mini bus e don too much. I no go lie, those days vanet people dey talk about vanet, take this one, that one, but e get the some kind ex ten t wey e dey reach because this mini bus e full the town. I no go lie, e full the town. And the evil wey dem dey use am take dey do, e come dey too much. I know say dem dey educate us say make we no dey enter the one wey dem no paint, make we no dey enter the one wey be say get conductor, make we no dey enter the one wey dem tint the glasses, you understand. Most times even the ones wey dey get conductor, at times I dey wonder how that kind bus go dey get conductor. E no suppose to get conductor because the evil wey dem dey use am take dey do e too much. So everybody need to dey careful, and we don still enter the festive season, so people don dey desperate to make money anyhow, e no concern them. Make dem wan take go oble, make dem wan take go mark at ten dance money. Because I dey hear one update, girl wey be say e enter mini bus, normal na, plus the driver there be 4 men for inside the motor. He come stop the motor, he enter, and he notice am say dem don dey call passengers. Na him how far una no dey call passengers dey use eye dey talk before dem say Jacon Benson. Dem don tear the girl leggings, tear the girl shirt, use am take tie im mouth, use am take tie im hand, use am take tie im leg. Dem dey carry the girl dey go. As dem dey carry the girl dey go, dem come reach police checkpoint. When dem suppose to follow, motor come dey offload goods for there. Na dem come dey try one manoeuvre. Na the policeman say where una dey manoeuvre dey go? You dey get my point so? Where una dey manoeuvre dey go? Na dem come just dey, but the girl na sharp girl and God come still dey with am. E come dey use im hand dey hit the door, the boot. Na the policeman come say wetin be this wetin dey hit your boot like that? Say na goat make we buy. Imagine dey call you human being goat because of money. Then you wan take go use am take do one nonsense. So na the police officer say open this boot, me wan see the goat. Na so dem take open boot, dem see naked woman. Dem don naked the babe. See that's why at a time so all of us need to just dey careful. As I dey always dey talk, make we still mount our guard because the evil, the heart of men e too evil. Evil full town, evil full aside. People don cross their mind say how far this money me must make am anyhow. So dem no really care the process wey dem dey take dey make the money. Dem no really care people wey dem dey put for pain take make the money. Their own na say this money so I must make am either by hook or by crook. So at a time so make we dey careful. But I wan leave una with this question: mini bus na curse abi na blessing to our city, Benin City? My people, una do. Make una no forget to visit our website www.pidginvibes.ng to get all the ogbonge news, breaking news, sport news, football news, as e just dey hot, entertainment, all of them dey there.